Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are here this afternoon to have the Prime Minister, in his capacity as Chair of the iTaukei Lands Trust Board, sign an MOU with the Ministry of Housing to fulfill the Bainimarama government's objectives. One of its key objectives is to provide affordable houses and land lots to those who do not have access to residential land. This is to enable the Ministry of Housing to obtain a development lease. This MOU will give us that ability to obtain a development lease for 4 informal settlements, namely in Ndomumai in Lemi, Gawia in Lemi, Wendamundabu in Koronivia, and Wakanisila in Kalambu. The rental and premium charged by TLTB shall be fair and equitable for the benefit of all the landowning units. The Ministry, upon obtaining a 5-year development lease, which may be extended, will carry out civil works, upgrading of roads, drainage, sewage, water and electricity reticulation, and provision of fire hydrants. And at the end of the lease period, for individual leases to be issued to the occupants, and residential leases, as you know, are issued up to 99 years. So this MOU will facilitate, at least for these 4 informal settlements, initially so works can start. The civil engineering works has been put out for tender, and then the works will commence. We will then pay the rental premium to iTaukei Lands Trust Board for the development lease to be issued. So thank you for being here, and I'll ask the Prime Minister now to sign, please, Chief.
Over the last few years, we've been receiving a lot of requests and concerns about those who are living in settlements such as this, who are members of FNPF, who cannot have access to their FNPF money to build homes because one of the conditions is that they own the lease. And that is why we've come up with this. And we thank the Minister for Housing and the Ministry for Housing for coming up with some solutions that would pave the way to having these people have access to their funds in FNPF. And for those who don't have access have funds in FNPF, they can build home now that they own the lease to the land.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pierre.
Thank you.
Thank you.